Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be doing on the mukbang about some middle school drama going on. So we got my Takis that I didn't sell, but I wasn't like, I didn't give up. I was just hungry. So I got my Takis. I got my McDonald's, the cookies. Soft baked cookies. I got my chili from Wendy's. And then I got my homemade food. And then we got the soda, off brand. And then now we go. Y'all hear that? I'm finna go get my salt and pepper. Well, we don't have pepper. We only got salt. We just ran out of pepper. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna be talking about the drama in 6th grade. It's only the 2nd quarter and we got drama. Like, I thought it was gonna be a drama-free zone, but so I have this best friend. I'm gonna call her Cheryl. And Cheryl been my best friend since 2nd grade, and we're in 6th grade. And we wanted to be in the same school for a long time. So now our moms put us in the same school, in middle school. So now it was like a fun experience, right? So 1st quarter came. I had no friends. She had all the friends and stuff, which I was okay with, because I said, who needs friends? And like, I was all to myself and stuff, worrying about my grades. Yeah, worry about my grades. And then I'm putting the salt in the trash can. Got a lot of salt. But yeah. And then like when it was almost the 2nd quarter, Cheryl kept getting mad at me for I don't know reason. I used to go in her house. I used to go in her house in the morning and the afternoon. My mom used to drop me off from my house to her house, which is right across the street. And then, yeah. But she just kept getting mad at me. I was like, sis, I don't know what's wrong with you, but your temper tantrum need to go down a little bit. Notches, come on now. And yeah. So now, 2nd quarter, I made this fry. Oh yeah, she had these other 3 friends in 1st quarter. They used to sit with us at lunch. And yeah, so all this been happening since like the 1st quarter. So now we're in the 2nd quarter, and I made a friend. I'm gonna call her call her Maddie. We'll call her Maddie. And Maddie, we was in second and third period together. Yeah, second and third period. And that's my first friend since the second quarter. Last quarter I had no friends whatsoever. I just had associates. I still got associates. I'm gonna have a bunch of associates by the end of the year. By the end of the school year. But anyways, yeah. And then now, Cheryl, did I call her Cheryl, my best friend? I think so. It's not sticking in my head. But Cheryl, or whatever, so I'm going to tell you about this day. So, I don't know what day it was, but yeah, so, Maddie, I told her to meet me at this place, at this little spot where we could go down for lunch. And then I said we have to wait for somebody. So we were just waiting for Cheryl to come. And then I looked in her class, and I saw no one there. And her name almost slipped. And Maddie said, okay, let's just go down to lunch. And Maddie is really nice, really shy, really smart. But around me, she talk, and talkity talk. Okay. So yeah, we go down, and I see her, Cheryl, waiting for me. And then right when Maddie was behind me, I was talking to her. Cheryl want to get all mad with me and talking about something. And then she walked away. I said, I don't know what's going on with her. To Maddie, yeah. And then she was like, Maddie was like, what's going on? But yeah, we came to her. And then we came to her. And then her friends and her started laughing. And I was like, what are you guys laughing about? And then I was like, do you guys want to sit outside or inside? Because you could sit outside or inside. So they said outside. And then, yeah. And then it was really weird. And then when we were sitting outside, I try not to make it weird, but yeah. Cheryl, Maddie didn't sit by me. She sat by on the other side, on the edge. And then Cheryl friends didn't want to sit by her. So Cheryl went around, but then she scooted over, and I was confused. I was really confused. And then so Maddie has her home lunch. So when we went in the lunch line, when they called the outside tables, we went inside to the lunchroom, and then I told Cheryl, I was like, I think I said, why would you acting like that? Or I said, and then I don't know, I think I said, why would you acting like that? And then she was like, well, I don't like none of your friends that you choose. You never never even met my friends that go to a different school, because they my friends. Like, in the last video you saw my friend, but she never even met them. And then she just meeting Maddie. Yeah, Maddie was not saying nothing. The only thing Maddie said was hi. That's the only thing Maddie said to them. And then, yeah, and then I was like, I looked at her crazy because she was acting crazy. So I just said, I went in the other lunch line, like around, and then walked off. And then I tried to be the first one there to Maddie to see if she was okay. But yeah, that was on that day. And then when you guys saw the vlog, the Halloween fall vlog thing, and you guys saw that we was at lunch. So that day, I mean, Maddie sat by me. Yeah, Maddie sat by me. And then Maddie sat by me, and then what was I finna say? Maddie sat by me again, and then oh yeah, her friends, Cheryl's friend was on the other side, and then me and Maddie was on the other side. And then, oh yeah, when we first came to lunch, me and Maddie sat down, and it was like no space. And then her Cheryl friend sat on the other side, and then cause they saw it was no space. And then Cheryl come along on me and Maddie's side talking about some scoot over. And then I was like, it's no room. And then she got all upset and mad. I was like, but yeah, and then yeah, we was in the inside, not outside this time. And then it was a Wednesday. No, it was a Thursday. So I was like, do not ruin my Halloween. Do not ruin my day. And then it was like a band playing in the cafeteria. And then yeah, it was like all quiet. And then Cheryl's friends wanted to go outside, so them three went outside. And then what's her name? Cheryl said to me, not to me and Maddie, but she said to me, she said, Isis, do you wanna go outside with us? And then I said, and then I asked Maddie, and then she was like, it's up to you. And I said no. I said no for a reason, because Maddie is always like, when I'm around and they're not around, we have a conversation, like a long conversation to like the end of lunch. So yeah, that's why I said no. And then she over here got mad, like, you asked me, do I want to come outside? So I said no. That was my answer. That was my reply. I'm sorry, it's hard. So yeah, And then she got mad at me. And then, so yeah, me and her had like, me and Maddie had a full conversation. Like I said, we was gonna have. And then, yeah. So, Maddie has to go to her class, like, early, cause so here's the cafeteria. Her class is all the way on the opposite side. So you like it's a pathway, and then it's like the school, like where the classes be, and then you have to walk all the way around. So she has to walk all the way around. And then so I let her go, cause she was walking fast. And then Cheryl, I went to Cheryl because I saw her still there. And then she didn't see Maddie, so she said she had the nerves. What they be saying? She has the Mommy, what they be saying?
What?
She has the audacity.
Yeah, audacity.
She has the audacity to say, "Oh, your little friend is gone?" Huh? What?
Hold up, wait a minute.
I was real confused. I said, "Hold up, wait a minute." Says, "Cause that's not it." And then I walked off because I don't know why she even said that. And then she just keep getting mad at me every time Maddie wants to sit with me. And I let her sit by me. Like, if Cheryl and her friends don't want to sit by Maddie and me, then they could go on somewhere else. Because I don't understand. Just come on now. And stop making it difficult. But yeah. It's like, it keeps being off and on. Like this morning, at breakfast, she got mad at me. Oh, like, Cheryl is something else. She'll be getting mad and mad and mad and mad. Like, every time she see me, "Oh, I'm mad at you." I'm like, oh, and one thing that like I really dislike about Cheryl is that this is her, like, if she mad at me, like when people talk under their breath but you can still hear them. Why does she even do that? No, but like, she'll do that right in my face. And one time I said, "You know I can hear you, right?" "No, I can hear you." And she's like, "Yeah, you was meant to hear it." I'm like, no, sis. And yeah, she got some anger issues. But yeah, that was all for today's video. Before you guys leave,
Anything else to say?
if you guys like have ever had a friend like this, or somebody you know had a friend like this, you guys have any advice on what to do? And Cheryl been my friend since 2nd grade. And she don't like none of my friends. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and kick that. That was not cute. And kick that notification bell in the face. Peace.